Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2700th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good day, traders. This video is coming at you on a Sunday night for Trading Sunday through Monday. That's Jan 29th, 2024. I am hosting an OMNI camp. I have no time to give you a long video. My traders are waiting upstairs right now, my students, but I wanted to point something out to you for Trading Sunday, Monday. The OMNI, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, Dow, Tranny, you name it, I'm getting nothing but mixed signals. Some pointing up, some pointing down, some pointing sideways. So I am calling that a neutral. We have a neutral in the OMNI, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, because all of them are pointing in different directions, and I usually will just call that a neutral. So let's get them out of the way, and let's go to something I've been telling you about for the last few weeks. PANW, Palo Alto. Last video I said to you, just wait for the signal. Wait for the signal and go with it. Well, guess what? We've reached the signal. There it is. It worked here. It worked everywhere you see a blue arrow. It worked. And in fact, let me take you back a little. It just keeps on working. I mean, it doesn't matter how far back you go, it worked. So, with that in mind, and now you know that, look at where we are. What do you plan on doing on Monday? Keep your eyes on that. That's my gift to you. I hope it helps you. Again, I'm running an OMNI camp, so I cannot do anything more than this video, but I wanted to at least put this in your hands, and I hope it will help you for trading on Monday. It's the 9-ball moving average, and boy, oh boy, is it working on PANW. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. OMNI camp will be done in another day or so, and I'll be back to doing full-time videos for you every evening. Just wanted to share that with you. Good luck trading out there, and remember, stop so in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and share these videos. Do that right now. Like, share, and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.